Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Authorize Net webhooks, a comprehensive guide to help you understand and implement webhooks effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Authorize Net webhooks allow you to receive real-time notifications of events related to your transactions, such as payment confirmations, refunds, and chargebacks. Setting up webhooks is a straightforward process that involves specifying a URL where Authorize Net will send the event notifications. To get started, you need to create a webhook listener, which is a server-side application that will receive and process the event notifications. This listener should be able to handle HTTP post requests and parse the JSON data sent by Authorize Net. When setting up your webhook listener, make sure to handle duplicate events, as Authorize Net may send the same event multiple times. You can do this by storing the event IDs and checking for duplicates before processing the event. Another key concept is verifying the authenticity of the event notifications. Authorize Net provides a signature in each event notification, which you can verify using your transaction key. This ensures that the event notifications are coming from Authorize Net and not from an unauthorized source. In terms of practical examples, let's consider a scenario where you want to send a confirmation email to your customers when a payment is successful. You can set up a webhook listener to receive the payment confirmation event and then send an email to the customer using your email service. Best practices for implementing Authorize Net webhooks include using secure protocols such as HTTPS, handling errors and exceptions properly, and monitoring your webhook listener for any issues. You should also make sure to test your webhook listener thoroughly before going live. In conclusion, Authorize Net webhooks provide a powerful way to receive real-time notifications of events related to your transactions. By following the tips and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can effectively implement webhooks and improve your overall payment processing experience. Remember to verify the authenticity of event notifications, handle duplicate events, and test your webhook listener thoroughly to ensure a smooth and secure experience.